Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up VulcanBot to get Grow a Garden alerts in Discord. So step 1, you can go to vulcanvalues.com and click Discord Values Bot. And after that, you can click Add to Server and then Authorize. And step 2, you can open your Discord and make sure that the VulcanBot has joined into your server. And there it is. And give it a role if it's needed. Step 3. In a text channel, you can type /settings or !help depending on the command prefix set, and you will see available modules and configurations. Step 4. Enable the Grow a Garden Alerts module. If it's not visible, you can type /enable grow a garden or a similar / command provided by the bot. Step 5. Set the channel where alerts should be sent. You can use the command /set channel and then the channel name or !set channel depending on your bot's version. Step 6. Customize the notification frequency and type of alerts. You can add harvest reminders, water needs, plant or seed stocks, or event notifications. Step 7. Test it by simulating an event. Some bot allows /test alert to make sure everything is working. And now you will get a Grow a Garden alerts right inside your Discord server. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.